Good morning and thank you for joining us for Monday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Emily.
The world's largest group of oil producers, OPEC+, stuck to its guns with another big increase of 411,000 barrels per day for July, as it looks to wrestle back market share and punish overproducers. Gold prices slipped on Friday as the dollar edged higher and markets digested the latest tariff developments, while a softer inflation report kept hopes for a US rate cut alive. Spot gold was down 1.9% for the week. China's manufacturing activity shrank for a second month in May, an official survey showed, raising expectations for more stimulus to support the economy amid a protracted trade war with the United States.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic RSI is in overbought territory. The Bitcoin-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. Crude oil prices edged lower in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal.
Investors should take note of the economic calendar over the next few days, as it brings forth a variety of high-impact and medium-importance events. These data releases may cause significant market shifts, impacting trading strategies and investor sentiment. Understanding these updates helps frame the broader market context. Reacting appropriately to economic shifts can be the difference between seizing opportunity and facing challenges.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Monday's financial review. And on behalf of us all here, we wish you a productive trading day. And be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.